Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another original knot. This is the Baby Face Wreath knot. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. I got 2 ties, both at the belt line. I'm just going to come in here and put in a fold, bring both of them over to the center, and then presto, we have it. I'm using purple and pink. Doesn't matter the colors for this one. So we have this. I'm going to do this right here. Bring one to each side, and then I'm just going to come around like that. Then I'm going to come back across like this, come around like this. I've learned this technique from Boris Mocha, so I want to give a shout out to Boris for this technique. Don't know what he calls it, but I've seen him do it, so I want to give him credit. So here's where we're at so far. So then I'm going to start my wreath with my purple tie, or the top tie. Do that. Coming across, I'm using a knit tie for one of these ties. Again, that doesn't matter. That's just what I chose because I like the tie color combo. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back with the bottom tie, which is my pink one. And I'm going to do a wreath here. I'm going to come down like so. Come back around here. I'm going to come through this top one here. And then I'm just going to leave a wreath like that. And then I'm just going to have it folded in half like this to go across like that, so it's not a wreath back across. Put my tie down. This is gonna be a big, bold one today, guys and gals. So there you have it, the Baby Face Wreath. On your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. See this picture on Instagram at Simmonsessentials. Peace and God bless.